Hello guys, my name is Maria Andersen. Welcome to my channel. We talk about crypto money and investments here. Welcome to my podcast. Today we have a special guest, a crypto trader, a lady in crypto, Mayra, also known as a Bitcoin babe. Hello Mayra, how are you doing today?
Hello, Maria. I'm really well. Thank you. Thank you for having me here. It's a pleasure to be here with you.
Wow, so cool. So Mayra, we will talk about crypto trading, about Bitcoin, meme coins, of course.
Sure.
About how you got into trading. Yeah, you are a lady in crypto. Is it hard to be a lady in crypto?
Look, I think that in crypto, it's not particularly hard to be a lady because crypto is such a open-minded, embracing community that welcomes you from day one. They always want to help you grow. They want to help you learn. So my experience since I joined crypto back in 2017, it's only been great, and it's only kept growing my knowledge and my networking group. It's just been unbelievable.
So cool. So you're a real OG in crypto, right?
Well, you can call me a second generation OG, I suppose.
Second generation OG. Wow, we have a new term now. Second generation OG. Nice. So cool. So this is not your first bull run, of course, yeah?
No, this would be my third bull run.
Wow. And you experienced bear markets, of course. And you never stopped trading?
I've actually, the past two bull runs, I used to do more spot trading and investment. And it's only this bull run that I'm into futures trading, day trading, scalping, and all of that.
Scalping. Oh my God. This is something I never did. Scalping.
Yes. Look, scalping, it's not for everyone since you have to be pretty much locked to your screen for the time that you are working on it. And there is a lot more components that go into it. There is a technical side, there is the fundamentals, and then there is the look into the actual trading volumes, looking into the footprint chart and things like that. It's very exciting and it's quite risky, but it's really good.
Okay, so can you do scalping with meme coins?
That's a great question.
Yeah.
I would not. Look, it depends. I think that if you have experience as a trader, you can do scalping with any asset. And basically what it is you keep a chart on a main asset like Bitcoin, for example, because the direction that Bitcoin moves will indicate the direction that the smaller coins move, such as a meme coin, for example. Now, when you have experience and you are scalping a meme coin, you have to have a very short-term aim. So you will be scalping on a 2-minute chart or in a 5-minute chart, 15-minute chart. You will be aiming at taking profits very quickly based on actual real-time volume.
Wow.
But if you're not very experienced, then I would not advise because meme coins and small cap altcoins are very risky assets. And they're very volatile. So you're better off with a more safe strategy. The long term will yield you probably higher profits.
Okay, so yeah, of course, meme coins are risky. So guys, be careful, trade in meme coins. And what do you think? What's the best strategy to trade or to invest in meme coins? Is it just trading or spot trading, just buying low or buying in the beginning of meme coin journey and then sell when it's on the hype?
Yeah, look, you're quite spot on that. I believe that the best strategy, especially if you're a beginner trading, it is to trade altcoins and meme coins spot trading. So you have very defined entry points for your meme coin, and for this you need to look at the chart. You need to look at the market structure. So you set some points within the market structure where you can enter your trades, where you can buy your meme coin, and then you preset your take profit areas too. So for instance, you have 2 or 3 different areas that you sell your meme coin when it goes 2x, when it goes 5x, when it goes 10x.
Okay.
I know that there is people that try to catch these 100x moves.
Yeah.
And yes, it is possible. However, you're probably better off taking a 10x 10 times than wait for a 100x that you might or might not catch.
Yeah, 100%. Because, I have a lot of questions in my DMs, on my Instagram, like, oh, what's the next 1000x coin? Well, guys, there is no actually 1000x coin if you don't know anything about crypto trading and crypto investing, right? Because you can lose all your money if you will just wait for 1000x.
Yeah, that's true. I agree with you. I think that, there is potential for a lot of the coins.
Yeah.
Literally, there are hundreds of them to go 100x in this bull run.
Yeah.
So the best strategy for me is to keep a portfolio of different coins.
Okay.
So for instance, in my case, I have about 70% of my whole bankroll for trading into Bitcoin and Ethereum. And then I have 20% into different altcoins, smaller caps, such as, for example, layer 2s, such as gaming coins.
Nice.
NFT coins, you name it. And I have about 10% right now in meme coins. And the reason is because crypto moves in narratives. And this opportunity that, for example, your audience is seeking to do 100x, 1000x, it is possible if you move with the different narratives in crypto. And right now, meme coins, it's the hot narrative.
Yeah.
So I have a few coins in my portfolio. Yeah, hoping to 100x maybe.
Okay, where do you share this information? Because I would love to know more about it.
Yeah,
on your
sure.
Instagram?
Yes, follow me, guys, on at bit underscore
we'll add all the
Coinbase.
links in the description. Yeah,
Yes, so if you follow me there, I share a lot of info about my portfolio, about my daily trades. But I can share some with you now if you like.
Yeah, of course.
Yeah, sure.
Well, I don't know if we should talk about actual meme coins, because maybe today this information is relevant. Maybe this information will not be relevant in 1 week, 2 weeks. Maybe some guys will watch this video after. So it's fine. Let's just talk about maybe some layer 2s. What's your favorite layer 2s? For example, mine like Matic. Yeah, Matic. I like Matic.
Yeah, I like Matic too.
Yeah.
I'm actually a big bull on Matic. Since the previous bull run, I've actually holded Matic through the bear market. So I'm still loaded on Matic, and I have really high targets for Matic and
what's your price
for
prediction
Linea.
for Matic? What's your price prediction for Matic?
That's a good question. Price prediction. Look, if you ask me in the bear market, my conservative prediction would have been $1. We've already hit $1. So I think that we can easily get a $10 on Matic.
Wow. But it's not 100% guaranteed, guys.
Yes.
As everything in crypto.
Yes, that's right. I mean, there is a lot. There is Tron, there is Linea. There is so many now that are competing there. And I think if you look at the really competitive advantage is the transaction fees. And I do a lot of transactions daily. And my take is that lately people are using Tron a lot.
Yeah,
like
me too.
Yeah, when I get a request to transfer or a transfer, everybody's like saying TRC20. Whereas before it was Matic more because it was fast, it was cheap. So again, the real key is to keep a balanced portfolio. A few of them, there is no harm to have them all. They will all have a run.
Yeah, for sure. Interesting. Okay, let's talk a little bit about meme coins, because this is what I love. But I don't do daily trading with meme coins. I'm just, do spot trading and not this scalping and things. what about meme coins? Do you love Pepe? Do you love Dogecoin? Do you love Shiba Inu?
Yeah, that's a good question, Maria. I actually miss the run on Shiva, on Doge, on Pepe. I have not been in the past trading meme coins. Mostly I've traded Bitcoin and Ethereum and a few other altcoins. However, this time I'm taking more risk and I'm changing my narrative a little bit of how I trade, how I build my portfolio. So I am bullish on actually a few others. I'm bullish on base meme coins on the base chain, such as bread and mochi.
Yeah. Okay.
So yeah, I think that if you look at Pepe was since inception back in 2023, Pepe has reached what is 5 billion market cap right now, and I believe that with this new bull run, there will be a lot of onboarding onto Coinbase, and the base chain will grow. So bread, mochi, they're very small. They're like 5 million bread. I think the market cap for bread is about 5 million, and mochi is about 1 million. So I'm putting my bets on those.
Interesting. But guys, every time do your own research before you invest in meme coins, trade meme coins.
That is true. And not just meme coins, even Bitcoin, even Ethereum, or anything in crypto. I mean, we're not financial advisors, so we just tell you what we think that works, or what we do based on our experience, on our knowledge. And it's always good that you do your own research and you find out by yourself what is worth investment and how to do it. Learning is always the best investment.
Oh, of course, yeah. And we always talk about that. But people still ask, so how do we start? How do we educate ourselves? Like, where do we go? Do we buy like paid courses? Do we get those free information online? What do you think? What's the best resources to people who are newbies?
Yeah, good question. I think that these days there is a lot of free, high quality information online in channels like YouTube, Instagram, from content creators such as yourself, Da Vinci. I don't know, there are many, myself, there are many. And it's just about finding people that are reliable, that have been in the space for a long time. And a lot of us share free content. And this is a very good starting point for newbies to get onboarded and to learn. And now, if you want to learn more about, say, trading, about futures trading, about scalping, then this is more, I would say, sophisticated learning. Still, you can find a lot of information.
For free?
For free, yes. Many people share information for free and knowledge. However, you need to find your own style. You need to find, there is like hundreds of technical indicators. There is hundreds of ways to trade, to see the market. And a lot of the times you find yourself getting bombarded with so much information that you don't know where to look.
Yeah, that's true.
So trading, it's more about finding your own style, finding what you resonate with when you look at the charts, because you will know, and then you will start to see those patterns repeat again and again. And then you will find people that trade this way, and then you will tend to follow them. In my case, for example, I even took like private tuition from really good traders because I wanted to refine my knowledge. And I still do. I'm always learning. Everybody is a continuous learning.
Course,
trading is changing all the time. There is new algorithms, there is new bots, there is many new sophisticated ways of trading these days.
Do you trust trading bots, by the way?
That's a good question. Actually, I do, yeah. I can't tell you of many because, again, whenever I look into something, I need to relate to it. So if I use a bot, then I have to know what is the bot about, how is it trading. So, for instance, there is this bot created by a friend of mine that uses moving averages. And I know how moving averages work within charts, so I know that this is reliable. So there is literally ways now that you can literally just click a button, enter a trade, and the bot will do everything for you.
Do you think it's like fair or it's better to learn by yourself? So what's better? Or you can do 50%, give it to trading bot and 50% trading by yourself.
Yes, the thing is, I think you're right. I mean, you can't purely rely on a bot, because there will be always a point where it might not work. But equally, you as a human trading, you make mistakes too. So what bots are good are for taking away the emotional side of a trade. So even when I trade myself, I tend to have trades that I place myself, and then another very similar, almost identical trade on a bot that I trust.
Who wins, you
and
or bot?
Actually, probably the bot. Not in terms of the profit that I make, but in terms of I feel that sometimes I cut myself short of profits.
Okay.
You know what I mean? As like I feel that if I see, oh great, this trade is going well, and before it actually hits my profit target, I'll take it out because I think I see something that it might reverse the market. And I've cut myself short a lot of making money.
Yeah.
Losing money is not an issue because I have a really good risk management and I have a stop loss, and I always respect that.
Okay.
But the bot does that too. It can respect your stop loss. It can take you out of the trade, but it won't take the profit before. It will just run until it does. So it does take the emotional side out of the equation, whether your weakness is fear or greed, because this is the two main aspects in trading.
Yeah, by the way, guys, you can trade on Fimex, and they also have trading bots. Check out the link in the first pinned comment. Fimex is my favorite crypto exchange, so check out the link, register, and try to trade there. Also be careful, please, because trading is risky. Yeah?
Yes, it is true. Very risky.
So what's your favorite indicator? Like, do you have any 3 favorite indicators for newbies, let's say?
Okay, I think, look, like I said before, there are many indicators, and it's not always about what your favorites are, but mostly what works for you best.
Okay.
And for me, the very key one, it's not an indicator, but it's a market structure.
Okay.
So it's like the backbone, if you want to call it, of your charts.
Okay.
Once you have a defined market structure and you can see your support and resistance levels and where that gets broken, and where you lose market structure and then it goes bearish, or you lose market structure and it goes bullish, it's very important to have that as a backbone.
Of course.
And then on top of that, then you can use Fibonacci's, you can use volume profile, and most importantly, the footprint chart. This is for me the icing on the cake, if you want to call it.
Okay.
Once you have your market structure and then you have your bag of indicators that you use and you trust, then you've got the last layer, the screening layer to go through, which is the footprint chart, where you can see real volume coming in. Then you can jump on the trade, and you're pretty much 80% confident that it's going to work out your way.
Okay, interesting. Thank you. So being a crypto trader, being a daily crypto trader, does it mean like you wake up every day and straight away you go to your laptop and start trading? How your day usually looks like? Is it like, okay, I'm 24/7 trading, doing things?
You're quite spot on a few things. Yeah, you do wake up and the first thing you look is your computer and you look at your trades and you look and see, oh my God, they're going my way or not, and then you get all these emotions going. But you have to trust your knowledge, your method. Now, do I trade all day? Not really. I try to balance my life and do the things that I love. spend time with my family. And yes, I sit. If I want to scalp, then I will sit there for a few hours and trade. But my more daily or weekly trades, I just set them up. But I can't help myself from wake up, look at the computer, go to bed, look at the computer. If I happen to wake up at like 2 a.m. or 1 a.m., the first thing I do is like look at my phone. If I see a lot of volatility, get up, jump on my computer, because I know that I can make money on volatility if I'm scalping.
Of course.
So yeah, it's more I don't have a schedule time to work, but when there is money to be made, I will wake up and do it. Yeah, basically that.
So being a crypto trader is actually a 24/7 job, not 9 to 5.
Yeah, pretty much 24/7. Yeah, but it's, if you love it, then it's very rewarding because you're doing what you love and you're always learning. And for me, it's very important to keep me interested in life as general. I always try to be learning new things, and with trading is ever learning.
Yeah, and you can make a lot of money. You can lose, of course, also, but you can make much more than you lose if you know the strategy.
What you're doing. Yeah, for sure. For sure.
Nice. I love trading. Well, I don't trade daily, but I love trading. And of course, I'm very inspired by ladies like you. By the way, you're also a single mom, the same as I am.
Yes.
And you bring all the money to your family. I mean, you're the only person, the same as I am, in your family who makes money. Tell me, how do you feel? How do you combine being a mom and being a 24/7 trader?
That's a good question. Actually, yeah, I mean, you said it. It's not just challenging being a woman and supporting yourself, but when you have family and you have children, then you have more responsibility, right? And I believe that despite all the risk taking, despite of all the sleepless nights or whatever, I think that being in crypto is one of the most rewarding industries to be in, and with the most potential for a financially secure future for any woman out there, whether you're single, whether you've got kids. It's important to not miss this opportunity that presents probably once every few hundred years, and we're living it. We're literally in it. Now, how do I balance this motherhood, trading, being the sole provider? Well, you need help. And I'm not so lucky to be where my family is, because I'm originally from Peru. My family is there. And I don't have a partner that can support me, but I do, thankfully, I have money that I can pay for help. So I have a full-time nanny, and whenever I need to pay for something, I would just pay for help. Cleaning the house or taking care of the kids, anything. And that frees up my time, which... it's a higher labor cost that I can use to make more money.
Yeah, that's true. I'm always telling that, money equals freedom, because when you have money, you can buy this freedom for yourself.
That is true. And as a woman and as a mother, it's very important to have freedom, to achieve your dreams, to have freedom to pursue your dreams. If you want to move country, you move country, such as yourself, such as me. We see that the crypto hub is in Dubai. We pack our bags and then we come to Dubai.
Yeah, you recently relocated to Dubai, by the way.
Yes, it's been less than 2 months, and I couldn't be happier about this decision. Yes, I love it in here. The lifestyle is amazing. It's the kind of lifestyle that I always lived, and especially being able to network with people such as yourself, to other people within crypto. It's just going to grow your knowledge and grow your experience and your connections. And I think it's important to focus on your future in such a way.
Yeah. Do you think community is important? Like, here in Dubai, we have a huge crypto community. So do you think to grow as an investor, as a trader, as a person, is community important?
I think that it's extremely important. As humans, since the beginning of time, have always looked to group with like-minded individuals.
Yeah.
So whether you are I don't know what examples to give you, but whether you're a farmer, if you hang out with a lot of farmers that are better than you, that have more money, more technology than you,
true.
you will grow, you will become better, right? So crypto is no different. If you move to a place, or whether you are in a city and you start to hang out with more people in crypto, to attend events, you will not only learn, but you will grow your path to new opportunities, and therefore more knowledge, more money, more freedom, and more being able to help others, because that is the ultimate goal, right?
Yeah.
To be able to help others grow.
Of course. But guys, you know what? You can start from just watching podcasts like this podcast. And
This is amazing.
If you don't have like money to relocate to Dubai, for example, and be a part of crypto community, you can start by watching videos and podcasts and all this crypto stuff. And then you will learn, you will start trading little by little, and then maybe you will get some millions and move to Dubai. Yeah, I'm welcoming everyone. Every crypto investor should come to Dubai because it's the best place to be.
Yes, 100%. And I must say, you do a great job with your podcast and with all the content that you share every day. Even since before I met you, I always follow you. And I think you do a particular good job explaining really difficult concepts in the most digestible and easy ways for people, especially that are new, that want to get into crypto, or they want to start making money trading, or move to Dubai, like you said.
Yeah, that's true.
Yes.
Yeah, I also want to educate people more about the blockchain, because crypto is not just, some people think that crypto is just Bitcoin, Memecoins, and that's it. But there's so many maiden opportunities on the blockchain. So many things you can do. You can build applications. You can, build games, NFT projects, community projects, DeFi staking pools, I don't know, whatever. You can do so many things on the blockchains. And there are more than 1,000 different blockchains now. So guys, this space is huge. Yeah, that's true. Not only trading, meme coins and Bitcoin. This is blockchain. This is unlimited opportunities.
Yes. Yeah? And I think that it will only get bigger, and eventually everything in the world is going to be tokenized. So basically, this is setting the foundation for real world assets to be on the blockchain, to have the sole ownership, to not being able to lose it to any government or to a scammer. Well, unless you lose your keys, but
don't lose your keys.
Don't lose your keys. I think there is amazing opportunities, and it's an industry that is going to help build a better world for everyone.
Yeah. Of course, we can already tokenize ourselves, even.
Yes, we can. And
I didn't do it yet, but maybe I will.
No, I haven't either.
So interesting. But we need more ladies in this space. This is what I think, because we have a lot of men, but not many ladies, I would say, because I track my, YouTube analytics, and I see that my viewers, for example, on my YouTube crypto channel, 90% men.
Oh, wow.
And only 10% ladies. How do we bring ladies into the space? I believe a lot of ladies, they just think, oh, this is something difficult. Blockchain, crypto, this is not for me. This is for risky guys who, I don't know, who can risk all their money and lose their money or whatever, or just this is such a complicated technology. How do we bring more ladies? Should we tell them something? Ladies, don't be afraid. Go try buying crypto just a little bit, maybe 1% of your income or something. Play with these things, learn something. Yeah, what else should we tell them?
I think that the first barrier entry barrier for women might be to see a male-dominated industry.
Yeah.
However, it's important that ladies know that this is probably one of the very few industries that it's male-dominated at the moment, but it's a very supportive, very open, and very people here just want to help you, want to help you get better, want to help you learn, want to explain to you what all these difficult concepts are, and show you, and they are very inclusive. So it's very, it's not an obstacle if you think it is an obstacle.
Yeah.
And the second thing, it is to have the willingness to learn, right? That's to be able to find information online for free, learn, to follow the right people, and to just have a go.
Yeah, and just start. Just make a first step. Yeah,
that's right. Yeah, whether it is by just buying Bitcoin, I mean, every time it gets less risky to buy Bitcoin. It's almost no risk at all now. Since the ETF, since all this inflow of money coming in, Bitcoin is a very safe haven asset.
Yeah, so safer than gold, I think.
I think so. Safer than anything the humans have ever created.
Yeah. And we're not promoting Bitcoin here, by the way. This is just our thoughts, because sometimes I have hate comments like, oh, how much are you paid to promote Bitcoin? And this is so funny.
No one can pay you to promote Bitcoin. And that's the great thing about it.
Promote Bitcoin, because Bitcoin is a decentralized asset. You know, guys, what is decentralized asset? Google it if you don't know what it is.
Yeah, that's right. And I think that every Bitcoin bull, every person supporting Bitcoin, since a billionaire to the smallest person, it's because we believe in it, right? Because we have a study and we have informed ourselves what it is from reading the Whitepaper.
At least, guys, read the Bitcoin white paper. Yes. It's only 9 pages. I will leave it in the description. Go check out the description. Click on it and read Bitcoin white paper. Very useful. Yeah.
Yes, and some books like the Bitcoin Standard is an amazing book. I would definitely recommend for newbies to read this book. Yeah. So once you understand how important and how relevant for humankind this invention is, then it's not hard to get into something that you know it's almost guaranteed to succeed. And that's how you start to get into, and then you discover more things and you learn more. I think this is how we can get more women into the space, by motivating them to learn, like women such as yourself, and many other women, such as myself and others. We are trying to do this. We're trying to set the path to show that this is not impossible, that this is not difficult, that it's rather the opposite, and that all that you need is just a little bit of willingness to learn and to take the step ahead. And we want to show them how good it can get, right?
Yeah, of course, 100%. You know, you're right. I was also surprised how friendly this crypto community is when I started a couple of years ago, many years ago. I was so surprised how friendly this community. You know, I was even crying like, oh my God, how these people, they want to help me. Not all of them, of course. There are some scammers in this space, also bad actors. We have it in every sphere, you know. But I would say 96% are so good people. They are so supportive, so friendly. Oh my God, yeah. Crypto community is amazing. I think it's the best community. But still, there are some bad actors. And nowadays, especially with the help of AI, there are a lot of scammers in the space who can, you know, scam you guys. So be careful. For example, those scammers impersonating me impersonating you, stealing our pictures, asking people to send them crypto or money.
Yes, I was so surprised. A lot of my friends keep messaging me saying, "Is this you? Is this you?" I had someone ask for money, and I was like, "Definitely not me. Report them because they block you, so you can't see them, right?" And it's important to know that we will never ask you for money. We will never contact you first, right?
Yes, of course.
And a lot of the content that we provide, it is for free, so. Yeah, don't be a victim of the scammers.
Yeah, be careful, guys. So we will never contact you. We will never ask you to send us crypto, to send us money. We will never do that. And I think we have to repeat this in every video because people are still falling on it. And this is so bad.
Yeah, I think that it's a big issue, but you know, where there is money, there will always be bad actors.
Yeah.
That's just the way that it works.
So what else? How we can? What else should we tell newbies? Maybe how to be careful in this space. For example, when you trade, I know you don't have to connect to public Wi-Fi or something like this.
Yeah, well, I always run my computers just out of discipline, my phone and all my devices on VPNs. Yeah, I always use a VPN and also try to go to the actual URL of the exchange or the site.
Okay.
And what else? Be careful of emails. Lately, I've been receiving emails about airdrops. Yeah, like, this is the airdrop for Luna, for instance. And there's this token so waiting for you.
Just
and you have to link your wallet to it. And then they will drain the funds. Yeah, never do that. If you do think that there is an airdrop, then go directly to the page, go to the Twitter verify, check, like almost triple check, right? Triple check in 2-3 different social media channels and the website, and make sure that it is the case before you link your wallet to it.
Of course.
So it's a little bit of playing on people's greed and wish of making easy money that the scammers prey on.
Yeah. Don't click ever any links. Any random links, even if if this link is on your email or Telegram, Instagram, don't click. Go to CoinGecko or CoinMarketCap, right? Find this project there, click on it there, and then you can go to the official website. You can check their official social media platforms and much more information. Double check, triple check in crypto.
Yeah, always triple check.
Did you lose money, like falling into scam, something like this? Because I never had this experience.
Yeah, I have. Yeah, in the past. Yeah, I have. When was this? I think it was in 2021 when the NFT bull run.
NFT bull.
Yeah, I remember getting, say, if there was a Bored Ape drop or something, and they will sell within seconds, right? Sometimes you can't even catch to click to buy
because it was the bots.
Yes, because there was a lot of bots buying, and then the price would increase and they would make a lot of money. So I don't know, but randomly I would get a message somewhere in the Telegram channel or the Discord channel that looked like from the official channel saying, "Oh, we reopened it. There was an error and we reopened the drop."
Okay.
And I remember trying to buy, and I probably lost a few ETH, but nothing major. But it was back then. That was the scam, and I know a lot of people lost money like that because nobody wanted to miss out. So always think again. When you think you're missing out on something, scammers can prey on that. So just take a breath.
Yeah, of course.
Deep breathing and wait for the next chance. No?
Because those scammers, they actually know your emotions. You have to control your emotions.
That's true.
Okay,
like in trading.
Yeah, that's true. Even in trading, especially in trading.
Especially in trading, you must be a master of your emotions.
How to do it? Do you have any tips?
Tips for controlling your emotion. The first thing is to breathe. It's actually really good. Yeah, to take deep breaths. To take deep breaths when you feel angry because you lost a trade, and you might make a mistake of doubling down, and losing more money, or keep making mistakes, because when you lose and you have a bad emotion, bad chemicals get released into your brain, and you basically become a little bit dumber, and then you make bad decisions.
And you lose more.
So take a deep breath, take a break, and then come back fresh to look at the screen again. And the same with greed. Always, that's how I said it's better sometimes to take a 5x, a 10x on a meme coin, on an altcoin, than to hope for 1,000x, right? Then you might end up holding the bag to zero because of greed. So, it's always about emotional control, and you're never going to get it 100% right, but aim to have it as high as possible under control.
Yeah, but if you do it at least every single day for 20 minutes, half an hour, trying to control yourself, learning more about yourself, and you will become better after a couple of months, half a year, 1 year. You will become better.
Yes, and you almost... it's not that you don't feel the emotion anymore, but it's almost like you become desensitized.
Yeah.
So you could be on a right trade and losing a lot of money, but you know that it's okay.
Yeah.
Because you made the right decision, because you made the right analysis, it's okay. Equally, when you make money, it's not, oh wow, I made all this money. It's just part of it's just one more entry on the book. If you know what I mean. There is losses, there is wins, and there is losses, and as long as you win more than you lose, this is how you make money in trading. So you become desensitized to each emotion, either way.
Of course. Okay, cool. The last question: how do you diversify your portfolio? Do you also buy something like real estate, gold, whatever? Because I always ask this question.
Yes. Diversification is very important. I think that real estate is really good to diversify into it. Yes, me too. I do invest in real estate in different places. However, if you ask me about diversifying now, I would say that when you diversify, you need to look at the macro more. And for me, there is no better asset than Bitcoin to be holding onto the next, who knows, onto the next 100 years, right? If we want to think it that way. Because Bitcoin has, according to history, overperformed every single asset. So if you ask me what's the best asset, the answer is to be all in Bitcoin. However, you do need to diversify, because as humans, we know that we don't want to lose it all in one place. And I would suggest that real estate is really good, especially in thriving places like Dubai or like geographically secure places like Australia. I don't know. It depends on how you approach investment, I suppose. Now, gold, it used to be part of my portfolio, but I don't hold much anymore, since I've seen Bitcoin like hugely overperform it. And back in 2021, I took a big portion of my portfolio to put into gold and has done nothing. So I just decided to liquidate it and put it back into Bitcoin.
Yeah, amazing. You know what? I think everyone eventually will become a Bitcoin maxi.
Yes. I think everyone becomes in the space, even if you don't start as a maxi, you become one, because it's just an unparalleled asset. I don't know how else to describe it.
So true. Well, thank you so much for this amazing podcast. Thank you so much, guys. If you want to follow Mayra, I will leave all the links in the description and in the first pinned comment also. Thank you so much.
Thank you for having me here, Maria. Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.